you guys. Welcome to the year 2025. Today I'm cooking collard greens. I had them left over for Thanksgiving and I froze them. I'm going to add these onions, red bell peppers, and green bell peppers for a little bit more seasoning. Put a little apple cider vinegar in it, and that makes the greens get a little softer than what they are, you guys. Once I do that, I'm going to add my garlic salt, y'all. Yeah, garlic salt. Then I'm going to put a little garlic and pepper in there. You can see it's a whole pot of greens. So, you know how much seasoning put in there along with some black pepper, y'all. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and put this top on there and let the seasonings cook down. Once the boiler starts to boil, then I'll turn it down. Now I'm going to cook these northern beans. I already cleaned them, washed them about 4 times. I got my water ready, so I'm going to put the beans in there, you guys. I didn't have no black eyed peas and didn't have no lima beans, so I decided to go ahead and cook what I got, and that's the northern beans, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and add my little in there so it can taste good, y'all. You know, you got to put flavor in the beans so they can be good. I'm going to add the onions in there. I love me some onions. And you got to keep in mind, these are vegetables, so they are good for you. I'm going to finish cutting up this onion in here. You know, when you go to cooking and you have them onions and them flavors start mixing in, baby, it be smelling so good in the house. Now I got this orange bell pepper that I'm going to cut up in here, baby. I love me a bell pepper. I can eat a whole bell pepper by itself. Just take the seeds out, love. Wash it off and eat it like an apple. And now I got my green bell pepper that I'm going to cut up in there. Bring a little flavor. You know, the green bell pepper, the orange bell pepper, and the yellow bell pepper are sweet. But the red ones are spicy hot. I'm going to add me a little salt and a little pepper in there, baby. And I bet you don't know nothing about adding butter. I'm just going to put a teaspoon full of butter. But this is the garlic butter, because I didn't have the plain butter. And baby, I'm always using what I got, love. I'm going to put the top on there, let it cook. You know, it take a while for these beans to cook. It's going to take some hours, y'all. But while the beans cooking and the collard greens cooking, I want to tell y'all a little history behind it. You know, black eyed peas and collard greens are traditionally eaten on New Year's Day across the South to symbolize luck and money in the forthcoming year. So greens represents the dollars, beans represents the coins, and cornbread represents the gold. And I'll be back.